Hi everyone. My first copies of The Rich Flee and the Poor Take the Bus arrived today. I am going to open it up in just a second, but before I do so, I want to give a quick thanks to a few people. Robin Coleman at Johns Hopkins University Press, Christina Perez at Perez Literary and Entertainment, my good friend Jason Barr, as well as, of course, Mary Beth, Catherine, and Nicholas. All of them played an essential role in producing this book, and let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Looks great. I'm really excited to have people read this book. For centuries, marginalized groups have been disproportionately harmed by epidemic outbreaks. I describe why this happens in the book through a series of stories and historical examples, and also offer some solutions for how we can better protect marginalized groups and all of society when future epidemic outbreaks occur. You can pick it up in your local bookstore on February 13th, or it's available for pre-order now, anywhere that you usually buy books online.